Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make a real video. I will be showing you the process and everything, how I edit it from beginning to the end. So guys, welcome to Kiaki Movement. It's been a while, yeah, so I thought of teaching you guys how to do real video using the Instagram app. Like, there's a way you literally just edit it, then you now use it on the app. So I will be teaching you that. Watch and stay tuned. So guys, in this real video I'm trying to create a kind of old lifestyle, not really old, just like simple minimalist lifestyle of a simple girl with her own kind of way of dressing. Then she just decided to change the vibe. That's why I switch up to this outfit I'm putting on presently. So that's what this reel I'm trying to create. So there's always a concept behind your reel. So try and be creative. If it's makeup, if it's anything you want to do, just try and be creative. So you do the before and you kind of do an after. So that's what I'll be doing next. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching. At this point, I was trying to create the pose, the method, the style, or what I want to see and what I want you guys to know of this kind of dressing and the way she styled herself and other stuff she knows. Then she now decided to switch up. So this is the vibe I was trying to create at this point. Then I put a mark to demarcate the point where I will stay to switch. So after putting on that point there, I will have to change my dress, my outfit. Then I remembered I will have to create a kind of pose whereby I will switch. So that point is the switch way. Now I've changed the outfit and I'm trying to create a simple hijab style for use. And as you can see, the hijab style is beautiful because it doesn't take time. Just all you have to do is just put on your hijab and use your clip, then wrap the hijab all around your neck, and that's it. You get the method I use is very simple. So I just want to create something simple and make sure you guys are understanding what I'm creating and the concept behind the video. So this is the outcome of the hijab. So I'll have to go back to the point where I was posting again and the switch way I created and do some little styles about each and every one of those things. Then I will now start editing. So afterwards so that's how I do edit it. And I'm a lover of shoe. I don't really like makeup. I just like drawing eyebrow. But in this video, I was not drawing eyebrow because I am not in the mood to do that. So that's why I was in the mood of changing my shoes. So you get to see me as I was changing my shoes. So I think that sneakers look okay. So I'll be using the sneakers. Stay tuned. The editing after dressing, after making sure everything is in order. So at this point, my job is set. To make the reel more beautiful and send a real signal, so I had to change the bedroom slippers to this shoe. Then I was like, is this shoe going to match or the canvas or the sneakers I have? So I decided to use the sneakers instead, since that will bring out more beautiful posts. I wore it and make sure it fits the look. Then that's it for the preparation of the reel. Like, I was all set. Now the next part of this is after filming this, you then have to edit. So the method and the way you'll be editing is what we'll be discussing next. So I will be putting this out and now posting in those way I showed you guys earlier. So guys, that's the pose, that's the style. So in editing, I use InShot, then I create a new folder. I select all the video clip that I was trying to for the reel. So I have the one I switched and the one I was putting on the old material style and all of that. So I'll import them to my InShot and then I'll start editing and cropping them out. The ones I don't want and the ones I want, you just have to make it short and simple and make sure it's passing the message. So I'll be cutting out those points where I raise my leg to the point where it's now stable. Then I'll be cutting out those places where I was putting point and the place where I was also putting on points way and other stuff, all the unnecessary part of it, so the video will come out professional and it will look awesome. So guys, watch to the end to see the outcome of this video. So at this point, I will be cutting the move and the style and other stuff I was doing and making sure that it is all well perfectly okay at the point where there's no mistake, and it's showing the kind of idea I want to bring out in the reel. As a girl in her own style, in her own way, then she decided to become modern and simple, and she decided to switch it up. So that's what I did at this point. I'll be cutting all these ones away, all this posts, all this style, to make sure that the video isn't that long. And so I've deleted that point, and this point is the place I was raising my legs, so I'll cut that off and leave those parts. Now I'm at the point where I was also doing a kind of style with my chained outfit, so I'll be editing those places where I raise my leg to the point where the switch is, so I'll be starting from there and making sure that it is well balanced and perfectly okay. So I'm done like that after cutting off this area so it can look more beautiful and perfect. Then I will rearrange the video and make sure the clip are organized, so when I'm playing everything it will look real and well placed and well arranged, so it will be passing the message it was intended for. Now at this point, I've rearranged them and I've cut the part I don't want, and I think it's okay this way. So the next thing is for me to just adjust it and make sure it is what's viewing and what's seen. So just try and be creative. In short, it's good to edit your reel. It will help you create the reel in the best way you can ever imagine, in terms of cutting, in terms of arranging, in terms of editing the video in general, and making sure the whole content is all okay. So you can just increase the time if the video is short, but in this point the video is long and I've cut out the unnecessary parts, so I will be speeding it down instead of high, because it will help me zoom and help me reduce the quantity of the video to the short form. The video must not be more than a minute, I think. So afterwards, I can then formally post on YouTube and watch how this video grows, and also on Instagram and watch how this video grows. Like seriously, I really want to know what people think about this kind of idea I created. So guys, just be creative, be happy, just do you and enjoy it, enjoy the process. That's what real is all about, and you can also use it to create professional videos. It's all for you. Just try and be creative. I think I'm done editing the point I want, and as you can see, the switch was easy. Immediately I clicked on it, that switched back to normal. So the little plays that are left are just few. I will be editing those areas and touching them a little bit. So at this point I increased the speed. Now I will be adjusting it a little bit, then I will also use it that way. So immediately I switch from that one to switch to this so it can rhyme. Now I think it's okay this way. So we move on to the next thing. The slippers is okay. I just wanted to rhyme in the cotton, so they don't think we are just saying it, we aren't doing it. So that's why I decide to edit it this way so it can rhyme. Now I think I've gotten that point. Yeah, I just have to increase the speed mode. After reducing the speed mode and also cutting off the unnecessary part and making sure the video is already set and well placed and it's already looking like something you can post, and you remove all the errors and unnecessary things away from the video, then you are good to go. Now your real video is prepared. So the little adjustments you want to do, you can just do it to make sure everything is in the order and is all set. So I think this is how best you can do it. Then you can consider upload. When you're done, you can now finally post on Instagram. After all the necessary correction have been made and after all the cutting of each unnecessary part have been done, then you can finally decide to post. So view your content from the beginning to the end to be fair and get the point that you are now good to go. Do not save your real video from InShot without checking for all errors and unnecessary things that aren't supposed to be there. You must make sure everything are all gone. Then you can now finally proceed to save. Then after saving, save on your memory card. Then you can now upload. Choose the best quality size, then save. Yeah, so that's the simple process of doing that. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching and coming soon. I love you guys. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you, right? So bye till the next one. Peace out.